Jameer?
2.
2. Here's some more pans.
We don't need no more.
We don't need any more. Okay, so what's next? That's telling us to bake it.
Okay, now you bake it.
Do we need these in our cupcakes? No. Okay, let's see. Bake in the oven.
First we need this.
Okay. There's some.
Smells good. Yeah. First we need real water ingredients. Chocolate.
Do we need chocolate?
First, I'll mix it up.
Okay, you mix it up. I'll hold the bowl.
We need it to be loud because I don't know what it is.
We need this to be loud?
Yeah.
Like like that? Like loud like that? You mix it up. It makes my tongue tickle. Is it all mixed up?
Yeah.
So what do we do now with it? Oh, some more ingredients. Some of this.
Fresh. Yes. How did you know that?
We need coffee to drink?
Yes.
Okay, here, I'll turn the water on so it gets hot. And put it on the stove.
Because y'all won't play with me. That's what I meant. No coffee for babies.
No coffee for babies, but we could make some baby food for the baby. This will help the baby? See, I'm kissing the baby. Want some food for the baby? Drinking? Some food? Does the baby like that food?
We need marshmallows.
We need marshmallows.